Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
So we're heading down south to Alamosa to see some more of the leaves changing. So we're heading down south, heading to a part that hasn't peaked yet. Hopefully trying to get that peaking. Here we are at the campsite at a beautiful stream. We set up our cool little fire pit that we can set anywhere instead of setting the fire pit there, a little too close to the car. Got the bike tucked away, but what a beautiful night. Look at these colors. Look at these colors. Just a beaut, didn't she? And we did tone our setup down to, we just have those two chairs, small table, big table, smoker. That's it. Here we are, just woke up in the morning. Got our yoga mats out to go ahead and do some yoga this morning. Got our solar panels all out and set up. And we are in a beautiful, beautiful spot. I can't even tell you how beautiful. I don't even know if the camera is going to do it justice here. But we're surrounded by aspens. We're surrounded by a bunch of really cool stuff. And one of the best parts is, I want to come and show you on a little road trip what is one of the best parts about this spot is we have a water source, and that's phenomenal. That's phenomenal. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be start cooking first thing this morning. It's a little bit later than we wanted to get up, but what we're going to be cooking today is some ribs. We've been trying to perfect our whole rib situation and setup. Cook up 2 different pork ribs today. Towel makes it a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and pick up this skin. Try to press the seasonings in as much as I can to see if I can get them to stick. Now we're going to repeat this process. to you about the smoker much, but I got this little thing off of Indigo. You know, what do you call it? Early adapters situation, where it's a really cool little unit. It comes with like a little drill battery that's pretty easily exchangeable. And we also have a 110 hookup to where we can plug in if we run out of batteries. But I have two of these. Each of these lasts about 10 hours. So it gets us through each cook. So I got about 20 hours of cook. We got a nice little hopper here that we just put all of our little pellets in, and pretty good area in here to cook. We got 2 ribs, had to slice one of them up pretty decently, but hey, still cooks, still food. But yeah, and we're doing that all outside, and it works in the rain and all that good stuff. But here's our beautiful view of our campsite while we're cooking. It's a pretty beautiful campsite again. I know you probably heard me say this a few times, but hey, let's go ahead and go down to the lake. All right, we are 2 hours in. Let's take a look at these beautiful things. Looking great. We'll check back in 2 more hours. So we're about 4 hours in, and this is what we got. We got a nice little meat pulling away from the bones. So this is exactly what I was looking for. Oh, these got blacker than I wanted them to. They were down on that, what's the name? Oh, wow. That other one looks beautiful though. These ribs didn't come out as the young brother would have hoped. They still look pretty.
Alright, I'm gonna use this cutting board.
That's much better. Look at these beautiful babies.
Those are pretty.
These are really pretty. All right, baby. Ribs are done. Bell peppers are done.
These babies sliced like butter.
Ooh, they're just falling apart.
We woke up in the morning and I've made my all-time favorite breakfast, biscuits and gravy, but this time with a twist. My tip for making biscuits without an oven is to use your Dutch oven, but first sprinkle a little uncooked rice at the bottom and add a piece of parchment paper to keep the biscuits from burning on the bottom. And the twist here with these biscuits and gravy is using chorizo instead of breakfast sausage. Here I rotate the Dutch oven to avoid hot spots and burning my biscuits. Once the chorizo cooks down a little bit, I added some flour and made sure that cooked down really well. I added some milk to achieve my desired thickness of my gravy. I always wanted to try chorizo gravy, and this came out pretty good. Thanks again so much for everybody that's watching, liking, and subscribing. It truly does mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support.